Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel BP Shine. I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. So let's start today's video. So this video is a collection of fancy and luxurious necklaces for special events and special occasions like weddings, anniversaries, or other special events. Okay, let's discuss the detailing of the video. I'm here just to describe the content, just to describe the information about the designs and give inspirational ideas. Now discuss it. Firstly, let's introduce the topic. The topic is luxurious and fancy necklaces for special occasions. These luxury and fancy necklaces are the epitome of beauty, elegance, especially when worn on special occasions such as weddings, grand celebrations, or gala events. These statement pieces not only complement the attire but also enhance the wearer's aura and personality. Let's discuss it in detail. Firstly, I want to describe the detail of the types. First type is the diamond choker necklace. The key features of diamond choker necklace is that crafted entirely of diamond, sometimes interspaired with white gold or platinum, wraps snugly around the neck, accentuating its contours, perfect for brides and attendees wearing strapless or deep neck outfits. Why choose it? I discuss it in every type. So why we choose that type? Okay. So why we choose diamond necklaces? Diamond choker exude timeless sophistication. Their sparkling brilliance highlights the wearer's neckline and pairs effortlessly with a variety of bridal lehengas, gowns, or saris. Style tip. Pair this with the diamond earrings and a sleek hairstyle to draw attention to the jewelry. Next type is the emerald and diamond necklace. Firstly, discuss the key features. Features a lush green emerald surrounded by dazzling diamonds, often designed as cascading layers or as a bold centerpiece. Works well with both traditional and contemporary attire. Now, the question is why choose it? Emeralds are associated with reality and luxury. This combination of green and white gemstones creates a captivating contrast, making it a statement piece for grand weddings or special cultural events. Next type is pearl strand necklace. The key features of pearl strand necklace is that it is made of perfectly rounded pearls strung together, sometimes with diamond or gold accents. Available in single, double, or triple layers for varying levels of opulence. Ideal for brides looking for a vintage or classic vibe. Why choose it? Pearls symbolize purity and elegance, making them an excellent choice for weddings. They add a subtle yet impactful charm, especially when paired with pastel or white ensembles. That's why we chose it. Next is rose gold. Pendant necklace. Rose gold base with the statement pendant, often a diamond, ruby, or morganite, offers a blend of modernity and femininity, perfect for minimalist or modern bridal looks. Why we choose it? Because rose gold has gained popularity for its warm tone and romantic feel. It's perfect for brides looking for something unique yet understated. The style tips include pair this necklace with a matching bracelet and soft curls for a beautiful and elegant vibe. Next is statement white gold necklaces. It is made entirely of gold, often designed with intricate patterns or temple motifs, popular in South Indian weddings or cultural events. Why we choose it? Because gold symbolizes prosperity and divinity. Statement gold necklaces are often passed down as heirlooms and are a must have for traditional bridal attire. Style tips include I think complement this with a silk sari or lehenga and bold gold bangles for a traditional aesthetic look. But if you want to style in your own way, then you can also style in that way. Okay, next move to the tips for choosing the perfect necklace. How to choose the perfect necklace for yourself? First is match the neckline. Choose a necklace style that complements your outfit's neckline. Let's discuss it with the help of an example like chokers for strapless dresses, long necklaces for high neck blouses. Yes. Second step is balance your look. Avoid over accessorizing, let your necklace be the focal point, and keep other jewelry minimal. Third thing you want to consider is the theme coordination. Align your jewelry style with the event's theme, like it's traditional, it's modern, or it's a casual or formal event. Metal choice. Pick metals that suit your skin, tone, and outfit. Gold for warm tone, silver and platinum for cool tone. So please select this according to your skin tone and your choices. In the end, I want to say luxurious necklaces not only elevate your look but also create cherished memories, making them an indispensable part of special occasion. That's all for the day. Stay connected, stay tuned, enjoy your life, and also thanks for watching my video.